Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about simplification of algebraic expression. You have already learned about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now today we will do the simplification. What is basically simplification means? Simplification means removal of brackets and use the rules of BODMAS. That is basically called simplification. Now you will already know the rules of BODMAS. BODMAS rules is already known to you. Even you know how to remove the bracket also. First let me tell you what are the different kinds of brackets are there. You must be knowing you are using a bracket like this. You can see different book has different name for this bracket. Someone is saying small bracket, someone is saying common bracket. What I told you, this kind of brackets you may see, some book is saying small bracket, some book is saying common bracket. But to remember easily, I will give you a name. The name is first bracket. What is this bracket called? First bracket. Then come curly bracket. Curly bracket, all of us are knowing what is curly bracket. This is basically a curly bracket. This name of this one is curly bracket. All of us are knowing what is curly bracket. Then the third bracket, sometimes we are using a bracket like this. Some books said this bracket as square bracket, some books said rectangular bracket. But I'll tell you a name which will be very easy for you to remember. So this bracket I already told you. What bracket? First bracket. No need to remember small bracket or common bracket. This is called curly bracket. I'll tell you to remember it as second bracket. What bracket? Second bracket. And this one, what you are saying, square bracket or rectangular bracket, I'll say it third bracket. And one more bracket is there, that is called bar bracket. Sometimes you must have seen books have said line bracket also. So once more, this bracket, different book has different name, small bracket or common bracket. I am telling you, you remember it as first bracket because this will help you for your calculation. This bracket, book said curly bracket. Very difficult to remember the spelling curly. Forget about that. We are not going to learn English. We are going to learn math. So remember it as second bracket. And this bracket you can see rectangular bracket or square bracket. Very difficult to remember. You just name it as third bracket. And another type of bracket is there, which sometimes you must have noticed. Someone said bar bracket or line bracket. Now whenever you are going to do the calculation of this bracket, you must have noticed these three types of bracket has some similarities. What similarities? You can see one side is open, one side is closed. Again this one you can see one side is open, one side is closed. Again here also see one side open, one side closed. And this bracket has no opening, no close. So this is the different kinds of bracket. So whenever you are going to do the calculation, you are supposed to do the calculation of the different kinds of bracket first, means the bar bracket. Like if I give an example, if you have seen, if there is a program, in that program you must have noticed there are some common type of chairs are given for the spectators to sit, and there is a different kind of chair is been placed in that meeting, which may have some cover, may have some different kinds of handrest and all are giving. You must notice is different kinds of chairs. When the different kinds of chairs have been given in a meeting, definitely you know this chair is basically meant for a VIP or the chief guest who is coming for the program. Similarly, in this bracket you can see there is some similarities, but one is having some differences. So this bracket we have to calculate first. Like in a program, the VIP chair who is sitting, we are treating him in different way than the other spectators. So you are supposed to do the calculation of the bar bracket first. Next, which bracket will come? According to the name given, it will be very easy for you to understand step by step which bracket we will do first, which bracket we will do second and which bracket we will do third, because already the name is given first bracket. It is a different kinds of bracket. This calculation will be definitely fast. These are all there is some similarities between them. So, after completing the first bar bracket, we will start the first one, then second name come second bracket. So, second one, then we will go to the third one step by step. So, now we are going to do the calculation. When I will solve the problem, I will explain you how to remove the bracket and how to use the BODMAS rule. Let us start with the first question of simplification. You see the question, 84 minus 7, this bracket I told you to say which bracket? Third bracket, minus 11x minus 4, second bracket start, minus 17x plus 3, first bracket start, 8 minus 9 minus 5x, first bracket close, second bracket close, third bracket close, and you see on top of 9 and 5x there is bar bracket. So, I already told you when there is a brackets, different types of brackets are there, you are supposed to do the calculation of the bar bracket first. So, here also except the bar bracket, what all digits you can say or what all numbers are there in other places of the bracket, we are not going to do anything of those. Only we are going to do the calculation of bar bracket first. So, what is there up to here, you must have noticed I kept it as it is, same, I am not changing it. Now, if you come to bar bracket, like earlier it was told to you, if outside the bracket minus sign is there, whatever sign is there inside the bracket, the sign will change. So, now to explain I am doing it, this is the bar bracket. So, if I cover it up, you can see up to here is bar bracket. So, outside the bar bracket what sign is there? Minus sign. If outside the bracket minus sign is there, whatever signs are there inside the bracket, their sign will change and the same thing will come here. So, here outside the bracket, if I cover it up, you can see this is the bracket. So, inside the bracket before 9, what sign is there? Plus sign. Outside the bracket what sign is there? Minus sign. So, they are differences. So, it become minus and it become plus. So, bar bracket over. As the calculation of the bar bracket will be over, we will remove the bar bracket. Now, after bar bracket, already you know the next bracket is coming first bracket. So, we will do the calculation of the first bracket. Remaining thing what is there in other bracket, they will be as it is. So, you can see other things I kept as it is, I never change, I just come to the first bracket. If you come to the first bracket, first let us do the calculation of the first bracket. 8 minus 9, I told you, if two numbers are there and they are having the different sign, in between no multiplication, no division sign, put the sign what is there before the bigger number and bigger number minus the smaller one. So, here 8 and 9, which is the bigger number? 9. Before 9 what sign is there? Minus sign. Put the sign bigger number minus smaller number. We did it, one got, whatever left over in the first bracket I kept it here. Still now we not remove the first bracket. So, first you have to calculate the first bracket. Other things same as it is. Now, I am coming to the first bracket. Now, plus 3 bracket means multiplication. So, I have to multiply plus 3 with these 2. When I am multiplying plus 3 with these 2, again you see outside the bracket what sign? Plus sign. If outside the bracket plus sign, if you are going to remove the bracket, whatever sign is there inside, the same sign will come. So, what sign is there? Minus, same sign comes. 3 has to be multiplied with 1, 3 comes. What sign is there? Plus, same sign comes. 3 has to be multiplied with 5, 5 3 are 15, x comes. So, calculation of first bracket is over. So, you remove the first bracket. Now, we are going to do the calculation of the second bracket. Now, whenever you are going to do the calculation of second bracket, other bracket, whatever things are there, I kept it as it is. I am going to do the calculation of the second bracket. What I have done here, you can see all the second bracket. Here I am going to do the calculation of second bracket. What I did here, 17x and 15x. These are the like term. One is having minus sign, one is having plus sign. So, before the bigger number minus sign is there, I put the minus sign. 17 minus 15, 2x comes and it comes as it is. Now, second bracket, just I did the calculation, but till now the calculation is not over, so I am unable to remove the second bracket. Now, here again you come to the second bracket again. Before the second bracket, again you can see what sign is there? Minus sign. If there is minus sign before the second bracket, whatever sign is there inside the second bracket, their sign will change. So this is minus, it become plus. 4 2 ja 8x, again minus, minus, plus, 4 3 ja 12. The calculation of the second bracket is over. I remove the second bracket. Now I am going to do the calculation of the third bracket. Now what is there in the third bracket? Whatever I got here after doing the calculation, second bracket, third bracket, going to the calculation of the third bracket here. So 84 minus 7, and in between the 11x, minus 11x plus 8x. Before the bigger number, what sign? Minus. So minus will come 11x plus 8x minus 3x plus 12. Now we are going to remove the third bracket. So again, as the same rules, outside the bracket minus sign, so inside the sign will change. With 7 will multiply both these things, and after doing the calculation, you must have seen here you got 84 plus, 84 minus, 1 is plus, 1 is minus, both will cancel, only 21x will left over. That's the answer for this question. Let us solve the second question. You see the question already given here. Again the same rules. Whenever you are going to do the calculation, if different kinds of brackets are there, we are going to calculate the bar bracket first. In this question also bar bracket is there. Now what you can see, outside the bar bracket, what sign is there? Minus sign. And inside, if the outside the bracket minus sign is there, whatever sign is there inside the bracket, their sign will change. So just I want to show you, outside the bracket, if I cover it up to here is the bracket. So inside the bar bracket, before B, what sign is there? Plus sign. And before A, what sign is there? Minus sign. So if I remove the bracket, their sign will change. So you must have seen here, their signs already will change. Now when the calculation of the bar bracket is over, just you have to remove the bar bracket. I already removed it. Now we are going to do the calculation of the first bracket. So whenever you are going to do the calculation of the first bracket, other things we are not going to touch. Whatever they are there, let them be there. We are just going to do the calculation of the first bracket. Again same thing, outside the minus sign, if outside the bracket minus sign is there, whatever sign is there inside the first bracket, their sign will change. Okay, so you can change the sign. What you can see, I have changed their sign here. Before changing, what I did here, I did the simplification, a plus a, 2a and minus b, and here I am going to remove the bracket. When I remove the bracket, before minus sign is there, so their sign change, plus become minus, minus become plus. So after doing the calculation of the first bracket over, you remove the first bracket, you already knowing. Now I am coming to the next step. In the next step, we are going to do the calculation of which one? The second bracket or the curly bracket. Whenever you are going to do the calculation of the second bracket, you must have seen here a minus 2b is there. This already I told you, if there is two numbers, different sign, in between no multiplication, no division sign, whatever sign is there before the bigger number, put it, bigger number minus smaller one, I did it, I got it here. Now again you can see first second bracket, before the second bracket minus sign, whenever minus sign is there, if you are going to remove the bracket, whatever sign is there, their opposite sign will come. It already come the opposite sign, minus become plus, plus become minus. Now you are going to do the calculation of the third bracket. When you do the simplification of the third bracket, like term will be added with like term, a plus a, you must have noticed 3a, and minus b, so both the numbers are having same sign, no multiplication, no division sign, put the sign and add them. I did already these things. Now we are going to remove the third bracket. Whenever you are going to remove the third bracket, same rules. Repeatedly I am telling you so that you will not forget it. Again outside the bracket, what sign? Minus sign. Whenever you are going to remove the bracket, what happened? Their opposite sign come. Opposite sign came. Now you do the calculations. You know a minus 3a plus 2b, both are having, one is having plus sign, one is having minus sign. Before the bigger number, what sign? Put the sign, bigger number minus smaller one. So 3a minus a, 2a and 2b. This is the answer for this question. Now the last question for today was, this is the question, y cube minus 5y square divided by y into y minus 1. So what is going to happen here? This y cube minus 5y square divided, that means this whole divided by y. The same thing I have written separately. First one divided by y, second one divided by y, and multiplication whatever is given there. Now if you do here, you calculate the y cube divided by y. So I already told you at the time of division what are the rules. If the base are same up and down, write the base one time, upper one power minus the down one power. Down one power, no power means 1. So 3 minus 1, you got 2 y cube. Same way here, 5 already there. y, both are same. You write the y upper one power minus down on 2 minus 1, 1 come y, and whatever they are here y minus 1 same. Now you know the rules of multiplication, so many questions we have solved. So you know that take the first one, multiply it with this, take the second one, multiply with the full one, and if you multiply, you know the rules. Here both are same, outside the bracket plus sign, the sign will be same, and whenever you are going to multiply it, if both the alphabets are same, write the alphabet one time, add their power. I did the same thing, and y square minus 1 is come same way here. What is the sign here? Minus. So whatever signs are their opposite sign, so this sign was plus become minus, this sign was minus, it become plus, and you know how to do the multiplication. After doing the multiplication, what I did, I arranged the like term with the like term, and we did the simplification. By addition and subtraction, you got the answer y cube minus 6y square plus 5y.